There's our ride. We're gonna pick us up and drive us off over there to the island. We'll stay. That's the ferry boat. Small yacht. It feels like 100 degrees. It probably is about 100 degrees out here right now. Nice bay in Dubai City over there. And then they have RVs and campers over here. Should be a nice little stay. We'll see how it goes, eh? Okay. Deuces, y'all. Ooh, it's a little more sway up here. You can feel the water rock. Yeah, I just want to cut around you so I don't record you guys. That's it. We're at top deck. We'll be sitting below before we head our little shuttle over to the island. This looks like quite another shuttle boat slash small yacht. The captain's helm. And the blue water. I seen a jellyfish down in there actually. It was cool. Probably about that big around jellyfish. But anyways, that's that. This is our ride over. Till the next one. And we're off. Short ride to the final destination. I believe this is it.